Hello techies, welcome back to Tech Bytes with Leena. Today's video is not just another top 5 tools or how to become ethical hacker in 30 days video. Today is a masterclass. And before we begin, huge shout out to Webhook for suggesting this powerful topic. He asked for cybersecurity projects, project levels, real world challenges, competition, freelancing and how to stand out. So today we are merging everything. By the end of this session, you will clearly understand what cybersecurity really is, what projects you should build at each level, how competitive this field actually is, how to stand out, what mistakes to avoid, and whether this career is truly for you. So sit back, take notes, and let's begin. What is cybersecurity really? Let's simplify this. Cybersecurity means protecting digital assets. Just like a lock protects your house, a CCTV camera protects a building, a security guard protects a mall. Cybersecurity protects websites, mobile apps, databases, cloud servers, online payments, emails, personal data. Now, there are two main sides in cybersecurity. First, attackers. Attackers try to steal data, break into systems, send phishing emails, install malware. Second, defenders. Now, defenders find weaknesses, fix vulnerabilities, monitor suspicious activities, stop attacks before damage happens. There are global communities that document common security mistakes. One well known organization is OWASP. You can think of OWASP like a teacher that says, these are the most common mistakes developers make. Don't repeat them. Now, here is the truth. Cybersecurity is not about hacking randomly. It is about understanding how systems work, understanding how they break, and preventing damage. Project roadmap, beginners to advanced. Now let's talk about projects. Not fake projects, not copy-paste projects. Real learning projects. Level 1, foundation projects. Your goal here is simple. Understand basic security logic. Project 1, password strength checker. First question, why are passwords important? Because attackers try to guess passwords using automated tools. These are tools like John the Ripper that attempt password cracking. But instead of using tools, you will build logic. Your project should check, is the password long enough? Does it contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, special characters? Then you calculate strength. You can even estimate if an attacker tries 1 million guesses per second, how long will this password take to crack? This teaches you authentication security basics. Project 2, port scanner. Now let's simplify ports. Imagine your computer is a house. Ports are doors. Different doors are used for different services. Web browsing uses one door. Email uses another door. File transfer uses another door. A port scanner checks which doors are open. Professionals use tools like Nmap, but you build a basic version. When you build it, you learn. What is TCP? What is handshake? What is an open service? This is foundational networking security. Project 3, file integrity checker. Now imagine someone secretly changes a file on your system. How will you know? We use something called hashing. Hash is digital footprint. If file changes, footprint changes. So your project, generate hash of files, store it, later compare again. If different, send an alert. This introduces defensive monitoring mindset. Let's move to level 2, attacker plus defender thinking. Build a vulnerable web application. This is extremely powerful. You build a simple website with login form, comment section, admin page. Then intentionally include mistakes. For example, improper input validation, weak password storage. These types of issues are documented by OWASP. You exploit your own application in the lab environment. Then you fix it. Now you understand how attackers think, how defenders fix issues. This dual understanding is powerful in interviews. Basic vulnerability scanner. A vulnerability means weakness. Your tool checks open ports, missing security headers, SSL configuration. Enterprise tools like Nessus do this professionally. But when you build even a small version, you understand how scanning works, how reports are structured, how risk severity is assigned. Level 3, industry ready projects. Now we think like professionals. Mini SIEM systems. What is SIEM? Security Information and Event Management. Simple explanation, it collects logs, analyzes them, detects suspicious patterns, sends alerts. Large organizations use tools like Splunk. Your mini version can monitor login attempts, detect multiple failed logins, trigger alerts, show dashboard. Now you're thinking like a SOC analyst. Phishing detection tool. Phishing is fake emails plus fake website to steal credentials. Your tools can check suspicious keywords, analyze URL length, check domain age, compare blacklist. Modern attackers even use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate convincing phishing messages. So defenders must understand automation too. This project shows awareness of modern threats. Reality, competition, and challenges. Now let's be honest. Entry level cybersecurity is competitive. Many people do short courses, post certificates, apply everywhere, but companies hire problem solvers. So, how do you stand out? First, specialize. Don't say I want cybersecurity. Say I want web application security or I want SOC and incident response. You can practice on platforms like Hack the Box, Try Hack Me. These help you simulate real world labs. Second, learn Linux. Most servers run Linux. A common security focused distribution is Kali Linux. You don't need to master everything, but you must be comfortable with command line. Third, communication. If you find a vulnerability, don't just say SQL injection found. Explain impact. This vulnerability may allow attackers to access customer data. Business impact thinking sets you apart. Freelancing strategy. You can start small. Platform includes Upwork, Fiverr, beginner services, basic website security checks, password policy review, security awareness consultation. Always remember, never test without written permission. Always provide structured report. Be ethical. Deliverables should include executive summary, technical finding, risk level, fix recommendations, screenshots. You are not just a hacker, you are a consultant. What not to do? Do not hack random websites, brag about illegal activities, fake certificates, fake experience, depend only on AI tools. AI helps, but deep understanding makes professionals. Who should choose cybersecurity? Choose this career if you are curious, you like solving puzzles, you enjoy understanding how systems work, you can handle stress, you are ready to keep learning. Avoid if you want quick money, you dislike technical details, you want zero pressure job, you give up easily. Cybersecurity rewards consistency. You don't need to know everything today. You just need to start. One concept, one project, one improvement at a time. Cybersecurity is not about being a genius. It's about being consistent. If you are serious about cybersecurity, comment I'm starting today. Like this video, subscribe to Tech Bytes with Leena, and share this with someone who wants to enter cybersecurity. This is Leena signing off. Stay ethical, stay curious, and keep building.